Want your text to stand out instead of looking flat and ordinary? Curved or bent text effect can instantly make titles, logos, and social media edits look more creative. To create this effect in CapCut Mobile, start by opening your project and adding your text. Once your text is on the screen, open the Style or Text Effects menu, depending on your version of CapCut. Look for a curve option or any text style that allows the text to bend into an arc. Adjust the curve until you achieve the shape you're looking for. You can create a slight curve for a clean and professional look, or use a stronger curve for something more playful and eye catching. After that, resize and position the text where it fits best within your design. Preview the animation and make any final adjustments before exporting. Curved text is often used in logos, product promotions, event announcements, and aesthetic social media content because it helps create a more dynamic layout. That's how to curve or bend text in CapCut Mobile. It's a simple design technique that can make your text look much more polished and visually interesting.